Welcome to Enunta's Desktop Ready demo. Desktop Ready is the latest desktop as a service solution for Enunta, a global leader in virtual desktop management. It is an easy-to-use and secure solution that provides unmatched remote working experience for your employees with lower TCO. Hosted on Azure Cloud, Desktop Ready is built on Microsoft's latest WVD technology. We provide you with two options. Business for organizations with more than 5 users. It provides enhanced security and added features. Individual or smaller setup with up to 4 users. We provide the option to choose Microsoft 365 licenses and additional VDA licenses, or you can bring your own license, and we can help you integrate them. So let's take a business plan. We provide you with multiple options, basis the use cases of desktops and computing performance required. Pooled or multi-session setup consists of a single VM hosting multiple desktops. Personal or single-session setup is for high-end performance use cases. For simple browser-based data entry use cases. For using Microsoft apps and browsing the internet. For designers and developers. For real-time audio-video applications like Zoom, WebEx, etc. For high-end designing, 3D model makers, ML researchers, etc. To get in touch with us and raise a special request. A consolidated cost appears of your chosen plan and your investment for the month. Active Directory is to host the users, and the file server is shared file space that you'll be getting per desktop to get an idea of what you're investing in and how it works. You need to log in or register to create an account and then make the payment. Once you log in, proceed to the secure gateway to make the payment. Once the payment is done, you'll receive an email with confirmation and login credentials. You type in the login credentials as received. All details about your inventory, infrastructure, and assigning controls are on the admin dashboard. You can manually add users or upload a list of users. Once you've added the users successfully, the next step is to assign the users. Here, you can assign users the desktop and license they need or want as per their usage. You can change these assignments as and when needed. Once finalized, click Assign. The UPN and password will be sent through the mail to the end user. You type in the UPN, type in your password. Click on Launch Desktop to open your remote desktop. You'll see your assigned desktops. You can choose if you want to access local resources. Click Allow. Type in your credentials, and your Enunta Desktop Ready is ready to use. From the user portal, you can also raise requests for additional software, folder, and admin access, and configuration change. You can take the 7-day free trial to get an experience of Desktop Ready too. Enunta Desktop Ready. Enunta's excellence in delivering the best VDI experience, implemented to design the next-gen remote working standard.